Hello, High Craft friends, it's Miss Dawn, and we're going to be doing some art. You are going to need that book that you made of the elements of art, and we're going to do half of it today. Today we're going to be focusing on space, color, and value. Now, when I open my book, space, color, and value are not the first things in there. I've already made my example. That's okay. It doesn't have to be in that order. So right here is my color, my space, and my value. And so what you'll need is something to draw with, or even paint if you want to. You can go ahead and get your workbook out for reference. When we talk about color, there's a place in the color, in a booklet that's just on the color wheel, so you know where the colors go. So looking at my example, I did a color wheel and I also did analogous colors. Now what you put in your book does not have to look exactly like what I did. So if you want to use paint, you can. If you just have pencil, you can just write down names of colors. What I'd like you to do is watch the videos on the right that give you a little more information about those elements. And as you're watching, you can start doing a little sketching in your book, or you can do it after. That's up to you. So for space, I just put some different ways of showing space, positive and negative space, overlapping, perspective, and distance, showing background, middle ground, and foreground. And so, again, this doesn't have to be a fancy work of art that you put in here. What we're trying to do is just do something like taking notes, but taking notes in an art way. So it's not just words, but you can put pictures and sketches and, you know, kind of create your own little examples so that you have something to reference and remember what these terms mean. And then on value, I did a value scale. So this one I did with pencil. This one here I did with crayon. This one I also did with crayon. And I started with a red crayon, and then I blended it with a pink crayon, and then over here I just blended it with some black. Again, if you have paint, you can try doing a value scale with paint, either in your book or in the workbook or on a separate piece of paper. So the idea is to go over those three elements, take some notes in the little book that we made so that you can have it and sort of refer back to it if you need to, or just sort of better understand, and watch those videos. The next time we meet, we'll be talking about the rest of the elements. And you can see I've already filled that out in my book, but you don't need to fill that out this week. We'll do that next time. And then this book will be complete. So enjoy watching the videos. Enjoy using your art supplies, whatever art supplies you have, to begin your book. Bye.